In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a Facebook ads refund. Navigating the world of Facebook advertising can sometimes be as intricate as it is exciting. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or a small business owner trying your hand at Facebook ads for the first time, understanding how to manage your advertising budget efficiently is crucial, and sometimes that means needing to request a refund for your Facebook ads. Today, we'll walk through the process step by step, making it as straightforward as possible. First off, you'll want to start at the heart of where all your Facebook marketing efforts are managed, the Facebook Business Manager. This platform is your control room for everything related to your Facebook and Instagram advertising. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to do so. Click on Login with Facebook to proceed. This step secures that all actions you take are within the bounds of your specific account and ensures the safety of your account's information. After logging in, you'll be prompted to choose your account. Select the account for which you want to request a refund. This might seem like a small step, but it's crucial to ensure you're managing finances for the correct account, especially if you manage multiple ad accounts. Now, let's get to the nitty-gritty of finding your ad transactions. On your Business Manager's main page, you'll notice various options on the lower left panel. Click on Ads to proceed. Here, you're diving deeper into the ad management section of your account, where all your campaigns, ad sets, and ads are meticulously organized. Next, go ahead and click on Ads Manager. This is your dashboard for everything ad related, creating ads, managing when and where they run, and crucially for today's purpose, overseeing the financial aspect of your ad campaigns. After accessing the Ads Manager, it's time to zero in on your billing and payment information. Look for the Billing and Payments section. If you're not immediately redirected there, a direct link usually looks something like this, albeit with your specific asset and business IDs in the URL. This page is where Facebook aggregates all transactions, invoices, and billing details related to your ad account. Once in the Billing and Payments section, your next stop is the Payment Activity tab. This is where all transactions made for your ads are logged. Here you'll have a comprehensive view of every dime spent on your Facebook advertising efforts. The layout is designed to provide a clear overview of your spending history, making it easier to find specific transactions. After locating the payment activity, you'll need to find the transaction ID for which you're seeking a refund. Click on the specific transaction ID to view more details about it. Each transaction ID is a unique identifier for a specific billing action related to your ad account, making it easier to navigate and manage your expenses. Now, before we proceed, it's essential to highlight a few crucial points. The option to request a refund may or may not appear, depending on your payment method and the nature of the transaction. This variability is because different payment methods have different processing times and policies regarding refunds. Generally, transactions made via credit card tend to have a more straightforward path to refunds. This is something to keep in mind when setting up your payment methods for Facebook advertising. If the option for a refund is available for your transaction, you can follow the prompts to initiate the process. However, suppose the option isn't available directly through the transaction details. In that case, Facebook provides another avenue for seeking help. Look for the Help button typically located in the lower left section of your Business Manager. Clicking on this can direct you to articles and resources that can assist with refunds, among other inquiries. Navigating billing and payments for your Facebook ads doesn't have to be a daunting task. By understanding where and how to access your transactions and potentially request a refund, you're better equipped to manage your ad spend effectively. And there we have it. You've just navigated the crucial steps of managing your Facebook advertising transactions, with a focus on how to request a refund. Remember, taking control of your advertising budget and understanding the financial management aspect of social media advertising is a significant stepping stone in optimizing your marketing efforts. I hope this guide has been helpful. Stay tuned for more tips on making the most out of your social media marketing campaigns. Happy advertising.